If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat Pro also lets you send a form to multiple users in bulk for each user to individually sign. This is a slightly different process from sending a form for one or more people to sign, as shown in the previous lesson titled Sending a Form for One or More Signatures in Acrobat. Bulk form sending in Acrobat lets you send a form to up to 50 users for each recipient to sign individually. Also, as shown in the previous lesson, you can use either the new Adobe Sign experience or the traditional Adobe Sign experience in Acrobat when bulk sending a form. To send a form in Acrobat for signature in bulk, click the e-sign button in the top bar of the PDF to show the e-sign panel. Then click the More e-sign options link in the panel to expand the possible e-signing choices. Then click the Send in Bulk button in the panel to then open a new window. Acrobat then opens your device's default web browser and navigates to the online Acrobat site. If needed, sign in using your Adobe credentials. Acrobat then shows the Request Signatures in Bulk page. To add the email addresses of the bulk form recipients, click into the email field in the Add Recipients section of this page and type or paste the emails. Make sure to press the Enter key after typing or pasting the emails to add a return between each email so they appear separated. If needed, to delete an email you added, click the X button at its right end. To add yourself or add a CC email, click the respective button below this field and enter the email if needed. Optionally, to add a password for additional security, click the Add Recipient Authentication button at the right side of this list, which looks like a key icon, to open a new Add Participant Authentication window. Then type a password to access the form into the Set Password and Confirm Password fields, and click the Add button. You must share this password with the recipients so they can fill out the form. To then select the PDF file to send in bulk in Acrobat, either drag and drop the PDF from your computer's File Explorer window onto the Add Files box, or click the Select Files link in the box to open a Select File window. If you open the Select File window, then click the tab that corresponds to the file's location and use the selection tool for that location to add the file. After selecting the file, then click the Continue button to close the Select File window and return to the Request Signatures in Bulk page. To edit the signing notification details, click into either the agreement name and/or message fields in the Edit Agreement Details section of the page and make your desired editing changes. To continue, click the Next button in the upper right corner of the page. Acrobat then uploads the form and opens it for editing in the classic Adobe Sign experience. Note that the Fields panel, when using the Acrobat site in a web browser, now appears at the right side of the window. If desired, to switch between the classic and new Adobe Sign experience when bulk sending forms, click the Advanced Editing On toggle switch. If toggled off, Acrobat uses the new experience. If on, it uses the classic experience. To add fields to the form using the classic experience, click and drag the fields from the field panel onto the desired location in the form. To set the field properties, right-click the field in the form and select the Edit command. Then change the desired field settings in the menu that appears and click the OK button. To delete a field, right-click it and select the Delete command. Alternatively, to add fields if using the new experience, click at the location in the form at which to add a new field. Acrobat adds a new text field by default. To change the field type if needed, click to select the type of field from the toolbar menu that appears above the field if needed. To delete the field, click the More Field Types button in this toolbar, and then select the Delete command. After adding or editing any fields if needed, click the Next button in the upper right corner of the window to continue to the Review and Send screen. Here you can review your settings. To finish and send the form to the selected recipients to individually sign, click the Send button in the upper right corner of the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.